Hey, what's up guys? Andrew here, and in this video I show you how to disable your Discord messages, your Discord direct messages, especially if you're spending time building communities, NFT communities on the platform. You want to make sure that you disable your direct messages so scammers do not send you a whole bunch of messages on Discord. So how you do that? So you go to the gear icon here, user settings, then you go to privacy and safety. And once you get there, you want to disable this section here that says allow direct messages from server members. You want to disable that. And then it says, do you want to also apply this change to all your existing servers? You can also disable direct messages on individual servers by visiting that server's settings page. You want to click yes. And there you go. So now that you have that off, you can also make additional adjustments. Who can add you as a friend? You can make adjustments here as well. If you want everyone to add you as a friend, friend of friends, or server members, you make the adjustments here to keep yourself safe on the Discord platform. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and click on this video right here, and I'll see you on the next video.